Hello and namaste, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to this channel then please be sure to hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell to never miss out my single video.
Today we learn about how to upload others' YouTube channel videos in own channel without copyright strike.
Enjoy the video guys. First of all, go to Google Chrome browser and type youtube.com. Now you see the three dots in upper right corner and click it. And then click the request desktop site.
Now you can see this type of display. Now you can search the videos that you want to upload in your channel. Currently I search the funny videos.
After searching the videos, results are found, then you can see the filter in the right corner, then click the filter and you can see many types. You can see the Creative Commons in the features and click it.
There are two licenses in YouTube, one is standard and another is Creative Commons. Creative Commons is the right given by the uploader that anyone can use his or her video. Now you can download these videos and you can upload in your YouTube channel and there will not be copyright strike. If you really enjoy the video then please feel free to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.